सोर्सेस की माने तो कैट और रणबीर इसी साल के आखिर में शादी करने वाले हैं। वैसे तो कैटरीना और रणबीर ने इस बारे में अभी तक कुछ नहीं कहा है। हम तो यही उम्मीद करते हैं कि ये दोनों जल्द ही एक मैं और तू से हम बन जाएंगे।
वेलकम टू लेमन होम थिएटर फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं सुधा सिंह। आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं लवासा में हुए फेम 2014 फेस्टिवल। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं फेम 2014 फेस्टिवल का ये सफर। लवासा में हुआ फेम 2014 फेस्टिवल का आयोजन, जहां 15,000 लोगों ने की शिरकत। और इतना ही नहीं, इस फेस्टिवल में जहां एक तरफ तबला वादक फजक कुरैशी और राकेश ने जमाया रंग, वहीं दूसरी तरफ इटालियन सिंगर ने भी अपने गाने से बांध दिया समा।
मुझे यहाँ आकर एक आश्चर्य भी हुआ कि ऐसी जगह यहाँ पर होती है और है, क्योंकि जब मैंने लवासा के बारे में फ़ोटोग्राफ्स देखे, उनके उसके बारे में मतलब सुना है लोगों से, मगर मैं खुद महसूस नहीं किया, कभी देखा नहीं। तो जब मैं आ रहा था, जब मैंने ऊपर से देखा तो मैंने कहा कि ये तो हम कहीं किसी और जगह पर आ गए, हिंदुस्तान में नहीं है। तो इतनी खूबसूरत जगह पाना और इतना अच्छा मतलब मेंटेनेंस नेचर के साथ और मतलब कहते हैं ना कि हमें ऐसा लग रहा था कि हम पिछले मतलब पुराने ज़माने में चले गए, जबकि बाहर हम मतलब कहते हैं ना कि बाहर गार्डनों में और जंगलों में प्रोग्राम होते थे, या किसी मंदिर में प्रोग्राम हो रहा है और चिड़िया बोल रही है और ये हो रहा है। तो मतलब हमें ऐसा लग रहा था कि हम उस ज़माने में पहुंच गए और हमने वो एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया बजा के।
मुझे बुलाया गया तो मैं सोचा कि कैसी ऑडियंस होगी, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम था कि यहाँ पे सब जॉनर के म्यूज़िक होने वाला है, कार्यक्रम होने वाला है, जैसे कि ओपेरा, ब्रॉडवे और बॉलीवुड। और तो मुझे जब क्लासिकल के लिए बुलाया गया तो मैं बड़ा उत्सुक था कि ऐसी जगह पे मुझे परफॉर्म करने मिल रहा है। और मैंने सिर्फ तस्वीरों में देखा था, तो मैं सोचता कि कोई सेट लगाया होगा लवासा, पर यहाँ जब आके देखा तो एक्सपीरियंस हुआ कि लोग स्विट्ज़रलैंड क्यों जाते हैं, यहीं पे आना चाहिए बिना वीज़े के। और मैं लोगों से कहना चाहूँगा कि जब तक आप यहाँ आएंगे नहीं, इसका एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे नहीं, आपको इस जगह का समझ में नहीं आएगा। और द ऑडियंस वॉज वेरी रिसेप्टिव। यहाँ के जो एम्बियंस है, जो पहाड़, नदी और ये जो रिवर है, मतलब ये तो हमारा जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, हमारा जो संगीत म्यूज़िक है, अपना जो साज़ है, वो नेचर से बहुत नज़दीक है। तो मेरे लिए तो ये लगा कि मैं पहाड़ों में बजा रहा हूँ और एक जो उसकी गूंज और एक जो नेचुरल साउंड आता है, उसका आज मज़ा आया, क्योंकि ये प्रोग्राम भी ओपन में था। तो मैंने तो बहुत लुत्फ़ उठाया और लोगों ने भी एंजॉय किया। ये हम देख सकते थे क्योंकि प्रोग्राम काफ़ी थोड़ा अर्ली इवनिंग था, तो हम एक दूसरे को चेहरा देख सकते थे।
Namaste India, Namaste Lavasa, and to this beautiful landscape on the lake. I did a very, very beautiful concert. I felt very, very beautiful energies. Just let me check if my voice is still with me. Yes. Indian people love so much opera, even if maybe one of them, they didn't know opera at all. But I realized that they were very enthusiastic and they enjoyed, especially when I sang that Pyar Hua Ikrar, they were singing with me, and for me it has been a very, very great satisfaction. Actually, I'm a kind of sparkling personality and crazy opera singer. That's why I'm wearing this beautiful sari by Shraddha Savant, and it's like a gift that I want to give to Indian public. And for me, it's been a very good responsibility, because also to learn Hindi for me, it has been a very big effort. But I enjoyed it so much. For me, it has been a very, very strong emotion.
लेमन होम थिएटर में वक्त हो चला एक छोटे से ब्रेक का। यू स्टे विद अस।
जो परसेंटेज ऑफ वोटिंग है ये बम्पर माना जा सकता है। मरते किसान और सोते सरकार। नमस्कार, मैं प्रशांत आंग्रे और आप तमाम दर्शकों का स्वागत है इस प्राइम टाइम में। लेमन प्राइम टाइम हर रात 9 बजे।
अंडरवर्ल्ड की नब्ज पहचानता हूं मैं, हर गैंग के राज जानता हूं मैं।
कहां से चलती है कंपनी, कैसे किया मुंबई पुलिस ने कंपनी को खल्लास, कौन चला रहा है माफिया नेटवर्क, सबकी खबरें देता हूं मैं। इन 22 सालों में गैंगवार मैंने देखे, गली के गुंडों को डॉन बनते मैंने देखा। लेमन न्यूज की क्राइम टीम रखेगी अपराध जगत पर पैनी नजर।
वेलकम बैक टू लेमन होम थिएटर। ब्रेक के पहले आपने देखा कि कैसे इटालियन ओपेरा सिंगर ने अपने गाने को गाया और हिंदी सॉन्ग से लोगों को झुमा दिया, और इतना ही लोगों ने अपने एक्सपीरियंस को भी हमसे किया शेयर।
Takes a spill, it's me and not you. Who told you you were allowed to rain on my parade? How much of my band how big my drum? And if I'm found out, your turn, sir. At least I didn't fake it, sir. I guess I didn't make it. But whether on the rose of sheer perfection, the freckle on the nose of life's complexion, the cinder or the shiny apple of its eye. I gotta fly once, I gotta try once, only can die once. Right, sir. Oh, life is juicy, juicy, and you see, I gotta have my bite, sir. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. Have simply gotta march, my heart's a drummer. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. I'm gonna live now. Get what I want, I know how. One run for the whole shebang. One throw, the bell will go clang. Eye on the target and wham. One shot, one gunshot, and bam! Hey, Mr. Armstein, here
I'm really grateful that I got to sing at Lavasa because it's so beautiful, and we got to sing at the amphitheater, which is next to the lake, and it's really been a wonderful experience.
turn it, sir. At least I didn't fake it, sir. Guess I didn't make it. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta watch my heart's a drummer now. Nobody, no, nobody is gonna rain on my parade.
The audience, I think, was really excited about the fact that it was Broadway music, because lots of people don't do that in India. So I am happy that I got the chance to do that, and they really, really liked it. So I'm very happy.
I gotta hear babies cry. You gotta watch them grow. They'll know much more than I ever know. And I think to myself, Papa Louis Banks, what a wonderful world. Yeah. Oh yes. Roses too. I see them blue for me and for you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. All right.
The colors of the rainbow so pretty in the sky are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? Well, they're really saying, I love you.
I hear babies cry. Come on. You gotta watch them grow. They'll know much more than I'd ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
It's very beautiful. I haven't really seen a lake city like this in around Bombay before. So since it's close to home, I'll be coming.
To cry, I'm not the first to know. It's just getting over you.
बहुत ही अच्छा है। और दोपहर को तो इतनी रौनक थी पूरे लवासा में, और शाम तो एकदम सुंदर संगीन, और वातावरण इतना सुंदर है, बहुत ही प्यारा। ये बाहर का पीछे का एटमॉस्फेयर, ये एम्फी थिएटर, ये गाने, ओपेरा और ब्रॉडवे, सब ने एकदम चार चांद लगा दिए इस फंक्शन में। बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है।
लवासा में इस तरह के और प्रोग्राम्स होते रहने चाहिए, और जितने लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं सब लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। शहर की ब्यूटी इससे और बढ़ती है, लोग जितने आते रहें और एंजॉय करते रहें।
It's I think it's a beautiful event. You know, only thing is that yeah, I mean regularly, you know. And especially the musical event is, you know, it's really, you know, wonderful.
This event, and one should have it more often, brings closeness to people around. We like the Italian music, and we also like the performance of Tara, very young, talented person.
It's an absolutely amazing event. The response has been absolutely perfect, and we have such beautiful, amazing, talented artists like Joe Alvarez and Tara Sutara, Gioconda, which have done such an amazing job singing, and everybody just loves it. And
Lavaasa is just like 65 kilometers away from Pune, and I don't think people out there know what a heavenly place it is, and how scenic it is, and how much it all blends together with the scenic Lavaasa as such. And I think it's an amazing event, and we should have it year after year, if not every month. I think you're going to see more of this, and you can see the kind of like buzz that's going on, which has never been in Lavaasa. More and more people want to move in here, and it is one of the first planned urban city, you know, and so we're going to hold the flagship for a long time.
नहीं लगता तेरे बिना दिल मेरा सजना भी जहाँ सजना
साजने फूल गुलाब सहाना
Well, Lemon Home थिएटर में वक्त हो चला एक छोटे से ब्रेक का। यू स्टे विद अस।
मार्केट समझना नहीं है कोई रॉकेट साइंस। लॉजिकल होते हैं इसके लोज और हाई। जब अनलॉक होगा ये लॉजिक, तब फिर आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करेगी मैजिक। बाजार पर होगी बारीक नजर, हर इन्वेस्टर बनेगा सिकंदर जब देखेगा हमारे साथ लेमन्स स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर।
इसके बाद एक बार फिर आप सभी का स्वागत है मुद्दे की बात में। सवाल भारतीयता और अमेरिकी न्यायिक प्रक्रिया का नहीं है।
आपस के डिफरेंसेस की वजह से एक व्यक्ति कांग्रेस के पास चला गया और एक उसके विरोध में चला गया।
सलमान जी, ये तो हमें बोलने नहीं दे रहे। आकंठ राजनीति में डूबे कुछ नेताओं ने इसमें भी अपनी रोटी सेकने का सामान इकट्ठा कर लिया है।
वेलकम बैक टू लेमन होम थिएटर। लवासा देश की पहली प्लान हिल सिटी है और इस फेस्टिवल में विदेशी टूरिस्ट ने भी हिस्सा लिया। टेक अ लुक।
So Fame, as you can see from the name, is all about food, art, music and entertainment. Our idea was really to just create a nice time where people could come and enjoy all the different types of food, different types of art, different types of music, different types of entertainment. Because one of the things that we've always wanted to do at Lavasa is really to not just, to bring life to the city, bring soul to the city, as our chairman says. And so music and art is really what does that. But when you have music and art, you also need to feed yourself. So that's where the food and the comes in as well. And so that's what these 3 days are about, just a chance to come and enjoy yourself. Response has been excellent, as you can see. We've had thousands of people here today. And the artists are very happy. The audiences are very happy. The people who've come and set up stalls here are very happy. So yes, I think it's worked out very well.
Do you think such type of event will play a very integral and important role to promote the Lavasa?
It's part of what we have to do, we must do, and I think we'll continue to keep doing that because all of us, we work, we live, but we also need to play from time to time, and that's part of life, is to have some entertainment, some relaxation. So to be a city in the true sense, we have to have that as well, and we'll be doing this on a more regular basis now.
Such type of event, what kind of crowd you are accepted to Lavasa?
See, Lavasa has always been about everybody, okay? It's not a gated city. It's open to everyone, all socio-economic classes. And so we try to do something for everyone, and which is why this time we had different stages. So there's music, Indian music, there's Western music, there's young people, there's dance music, there's music for the older people. So we tried to do something for everyone.
Well, we organized FAME, which stands for Food, Arts, Music, and Entertainment, because we wanted to bring a diversity of FAME to Lavasa. Lavasa is a diverse city, and so we're really pleased to be hosting the FAME event this year, the first of its kind here in Lavasa. And not only is it diverse music and arts, but also a real diversity of folks from the Pune and Mumbai area primarily that have come for the event.
So how was the response? Because it was a mix of something Hindi, Bollywood, Sangeet, Tabla Vadak and jazz and Broadway also. So how you manage it and how you got it from the audience?
Well, it's been very well received by the audience, and I live here and work here, so I've had the opportunity to intermix with a lot of the folks and had a lot of positive response, both about the event and the diversity, Western, Indian, all those things that you said.
By this event, what kind of targeting of the customer or audience you got it? Means, what was your goal to attract the audience from the elite people, intellectual people, or middle class, upper middle class? Means, what kind of intellectual you got it from this event?
Lavasa is a diverse city that appeals to all educations, all income groups. And I think that when you look around Lavasa today, you see that same diversity here. So there's no single income group or demographic that we were trying to target at all. And we just wanted to increase the awareness of Lavasa in the Pune, Mumbai area to all potential customers and people who just like music and want to come to Lavasa.
Do you think that sometimes, even first time I visited Lavasa today, I visited the entire Processor township. So I thought there is some shadow and something copy of some European city like Italy, Rome or US countries copy of this township. Do you think is a copy of some European city?
The Lavasa project has several different stages, and we're standing in the first stage, which is called Dasve. And there is a bit of a southern Mediterranean kind of Italian look to some of the buildings in terms of the colors that we've picked in some of the lines. But that's really where the similarity ends, and you probably picked up on that, but that's where the similarity ends. In every other respect, it's very much an Indian city that caters to our Indian customers.
ये था लवासा का फेम 2014 फेस्टिवल जिसे आप लोगों ने देखा एंड वी होप कि आप सब ने इसे एंजॉय भी किया होगा। फिलहाल लेमन होम थिएटर में आज के लिए बस इतना ही, मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त।